Hey Sam. What are you doing? I just got a new 3D printing machine. And I made this cool football using it. Wow, the football really looks amazing. But I don't get it, what is this 3D printing? 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. Additive manufacturing process, sounds familiar, what is it? Additive manufacturing is used to describe the technologies that build 3D objects by adding layer upon layer. That sounds amazing! Looks like I got a perfect topic for my summer presentation. Cool! Hope you get an A grade in it. Thanks Sam! Catch you later! Good morning ma'am. I was wondering if you can tell me how a 3D printing machine works.
Sure. Why not? Every 3D printing starts as a digital file like a blueprint of the physical object. This design file is sliced into thin layers which are then sent into the 3D printer.
After that, how does that process?
From here on, the printing process varies by technology, starting from desktop printers that melt a plastic material and lay it down onto a print platform.
What kind of material do they use to make the object?
Materials vary by printer type, ranging from plastics to rubber, sandstone, metals and alloys, depending on the specific use. That's all for today's class. Have a good day.
Hey Tom. Are you ready with your presentation? Yes, it's on 3D printing. Good morning, one and all. The world of 3D printing is at times a tangled web of technologies, materials, and new processes and capabilities. Pros: easy to create complex designs, customize each and every item. Cons: higher costs for larger productions, less material choices. Uses: aircraft manufacturers. The technology allows aircraft manufacturers to replace complex assemblies with a single part that is lighter than previous designs. Doctors. Did you know that the majority of today's hearing aids are 3D printed? 3D printing has a wide usage in many fields like shoe manufacturing, drones, consumer products, dental instruments, etc. I would like to conclude that the thought of 3D printing is revolutionizing with its motto of turning ideas into objects. Thank you.
Tom, you did an amazing job.